Welcome to the Grand Bazaar, Istanbul, guys. There's the guy.
That's the guy.
There's the guy.
Spanish one.
9th Street in the Bosnia and about 39 inch.
If my subscribers want to come and see you to buy stuff, how would they get here? That's hard.
I thought like the Terlikçiler Street is not easy to understand for you maybe.
Welcome to the Grand Bazaar, Istanbul, guys. I'll be taking you around to show you and tell you a bit of the history of the bazaar. That's the part Nuzadli wants. That one.
Are these pots usable? For decoration only?
No, this story.
For use?
10 years.
10 years. They've been lined inside as well.
Polish and stuff.
Inside.
Like this.
This sister. This it's all covered. Okay, all
Yeah.
it's covered. But this nickel.
Nickel,
okay.
yes.
The nickel for save more time and for a bacteria don't leave.
Okay.
This is better of stainless steel.
It is, yes. And what's the... This is actually the gate of the Grand Bazaar from Nur Osmani Mosque. Or there we are. Guys, ये मेरे ना पीछे नुसरत रेस्टोरेंट है. Like we all know it's a very world famous restaurant. उन्होंने नया खोला है in London as well, and this is the Istanbul branch. ये देखिए जी तस्वीरें भी खींची जा रही हैं सारा कुछ. And if you guys are aware, it's very expensive steak. It's a very, very expensive restaurant, and I think it's so overpriced. We refuse to eat it. We refuse to go in. It's just not worth it. इससे ज़्यादा मज़े का खाना आपको मिलेगा हर जगह. Yes, just for an experience, and if you think you're not wasting your money, you want to go in, alhamdulillah, by all means do. But we aren't going. We are not gonna buy it. ये है मेरी favorite jewelry जो मैं हमेशा इस्तांबुल से खरीदती हूँ. I got few pieces of this. I got this one in white. और I'm expecting कि कुछ unusual मिलेगा तो मैं इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर खरीदूँगी. And there's some Turkish delight shops. बाज़ार घूमने को अच्छा है और ये है कि यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ बहुत महंगा मिलेगा because it's a touristy place. If you are gonna buy gifts, Grand Bazaar से मत लीजिएगा. और unless you can really bargaining भी इतनी इनकी ना बेवकूफ़ाना मैं कहूँगी होती है कि they will start from 200 Turkish lira for something. 20 पे भी रुक जाते हैं. ये देखिए, I do like the leather stuff, पर मैंने कभी नहीं खरीदा इनका leather stuff from here. That's the leather stuff. Sona. Nothing like the word sona, is it? There's one little t-shirts, jewelry, replica bags, belts, jackets. आप नाम लें, आपको सब मिलेगा यहाँ पे. I thought that was a statue for a minute. Will we not suitcase, hand luggage है. All these replica ones. हाँ, किसी चीज़ का दुकान का पता करना है या एरिया जहाँ पे आप हैं. Just see that thing in the middle is called Baby. Right? और हमारा actually we have a friend. Actually एक दफ़ा हमने उनसे काफ़ी सी jewelry खरीदी थी तो actually whenever we come around we do not remember where his shop is. इधर से हम अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं कि उसकी शॉप किस साइड पे होगी. It is this one, ja. Huh? The money exchange usually same price होते हैं ना. 12. Oh, जिस दिन हम आए उस दिन 11.8 था. आज है 12.09. That's his shop. नहीं, ये उसकी shop. या उसने चेंज कर दी है, यस. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Alhamdulillah, good. How are you? Changed? Yes. How's family? Everybody good?
Everybody is good.
That's good. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
How is Sedat?
Sedat is good. Good.
Is he okay?
He's okay.
We were going past. I thought I have to say salam to you guys.
I offer something, tea, coffee.
No, alhamdulillah, it's fine. It's fine. It's good seeing you.
ये शॉप है जहाँ से मैं अक्सर अपनी ज्वेलरी लेती हूँ.
Then we opened it, but it was not easy. Now it's better. Thanks.
These are the ones with change color.
Yes, sometimes.
Yes.
I have other kind.
You know my ring is one. It got a big diamond. It always comes out. I haven't bought it with me.
Next time, bring.
Inshallah, I
Then
will do.
I will solve your
Inshallah,
Where's
yeah.
Sedat? Is he
problem.
around?
That is next street.
Oh.
Maybe you can pass from there, you can see.
That's good.
And he's selling.
I got one of these as well in black.
Not silver.
Oh, souvenir.
आप वाली खजूरें देखी हैं जुबेर? Oh, why is this guy selling? Oh, no. Oh, the friend I was talking about, he got a different shop now. He's selling souvenirs. There he is. There's the guy.
That's the guy.
There's the guy.
Spanish one.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Selam, how
What
are
are
you?
you doing?
Come
See, we can find you everywhere.
everywhere. Come. How are you?
We knew you would find you.
How do you find me?
We asked the police.
जी guys, हम हैं यहाँ पे in the Grand Bazaar and we have met our old friend called Sadat. Hello, and we will be talking to him. He is the one who will give you the information about the Grand Bazaar.
Hello guys, we are in Grand Bazaar today. I'll tell you something about the here. We have 59 street in the bazaar and about 39 inns, which is I know. 4,000 shops is not too much. Even this is like from the Ottoman they use here for the horse, the shopping. Not for the
It wasn't for the shop.
It's not for business. They do this one for because the Ottoman army it was huge, and this is very close to Ottoman palace.
Yes.
The sultans they live there. It have to be
Yes.
close.
Ah,
They use here for the horse. After they comes more bigger, they use here for the business.
what about the Spice Bazaar and the Grand Bazaar? Are they the same or are
Are
they
they
two
the
different
same?
things?
But you know, this one, this army, I tell you for the army, places for the sultans. All the sultans has 3 or 4 child. The sultans, Spice Bazaar, this is for different army, even for your child army. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
This is for the child. This is the same. Everything is the same. Design is the same. They use for same things, but the small ones. I mean, the Grand Bazaar like 10 times bigger than Spice Market.
Okay.
Because Spice Market like maximum 100 shops or something.
Yeah.
And it's just one street.
Because
Not
I always
anymore.
thought Spice Bazaar and the old bazaar, the Grand Bazaar is the same
Same
thing.
time. Same time, same history, but more huge. 4,000 shops, 100 shops. That's all.
Okay, and this is the oldest covered bazaar in the world as well, is it?
In the world, this is the best.
Yeah.
Most bigger one, most older ones.
Do we know how many people a year actually visit this bazaar?
I can tell you in a day, 100,000 people coming in the Grand Bazaar.
And how's the business here?
Depends on the seasons. In the summer, it's better, but now it's the coronavirus. Nobody coming. But I am sure now nobody care about the corona. Next year it will be better.
That's good, yeah. And what is your business here? What is your shop?
You know what is my shop? It was mine. Now I closed it. It was the silver.
Oh, okay.
This is the
Yeah, this is Sadat's shop. It's like souvenirs he's selling, and
The
because of
gift things, the magnet or souvenir things. On the corner, come with me. I have scar shops too. I show you that.
because we have usually seen the Grand Bazaar is usually very, very busy. We've come after 2.5
It was
years.
busy, but the business comes more slow. This is also mine.
Oh, okay, that's much more nice.
You can enter it, you can hold it inside.
So your scarves, the usual ones what you buy?
I have some imitations.
Yes, the replicas. I like this one. This is nice. So इनके पास हर तरह के scarves मिलेंगे आपको. Oh wow, this looks nice. Even though it's a replica, but they are nice. And they are the pashmina, is it? Oh, beautiful.
It has full workshop on it.
That's really nice. That is very nice. If I get one for Javed's mom, it's probably too long for her. These are just, you know what? These will come off on your fabric.
Because it's the full cottons.
I like these ones. Guys, look who I found in Istanbul. Nasruddin Hoxha. If you watch my videos of Bosnia and Herzegovina, I was speaking about him. उज़्बेकिस्तान में देखे थे इनको ना वो अपना नेशनल हीरो समझते हैं कहते हैं कि वो उज़्बेकिस्तान में पैदा हुए थे नसरुद्दीन होजा इन पाकिस्तान वी नो हिम एज नसरुद्दीन के लतीफ़े इफ़ आई एम करेक्ट कि ही इज़ लाइक अ मिस्टर बीन ऑफ द सेंट्रल एशियन और एशियन कंट्रीज़ आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर इंडिया में लोग उसको जानते हैं टर्की में अगर जानते हैं क्योंकि टर्की में मैंने इनको कभी नहीं देखा और बाकी मुसलमान अरब मुल्कों वगैरह में इनको जाना जाता है कि नहीं क्योंकि मैंने अब यहाँ पे देखा एंड आई एम अस्यूमिंग दैट वाज इन देयर बॉस्नियन लैंग्वेज सो ये भी उनको पहचानते हैं और मुझे ये नहीं पता आजकल के पाकिस्तानी बच्चे क्या उन्होंने इनके बारे में सुना है क्या इनकी कोई कहानियाँ आप लोग पढ़ते हैं प्लीज़ इफ़ यू डू प्लीज़ डू कमेंट इन द सेक्शन बिलो Let's ask these guys, what do you guys know about Nasruddin Hoxha?
You know better than me.
Go on then, tell us what do you know about Nasruddin Hoxha?
He's important with the joke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Since childhood we've always
He is
heard
really old, but he's like a child. He can be child with the child.
Exactly. We always read him in Urdu as well. I've seen him in Uzbekistan,
All
I've
the
seen
world
him in
knows.
Bosnia.
Turkish says he's Turkish. The Uzbekistan says he's Uzbekistan. The Turkmenistan says he's Turkmenistan.
Exactly. So he's a national hero of all the Muslims then.
Yes.
Isn't
Yeah, I
it?
hope he is Turkish.
Okay, yeah, there he is. That's it. If my subscribers want to come and see you to buy stuff, how would they get here? That's hard.
I told her this is the Terlikçiler Street. It's not easy to understand for you maybe. You can write on your
Description.
my address. I can give them.
Perfect. Thank you. That would
Because
be nice.
all these Turkish names in here, they cannot understand. Easily, they cannot find it.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much, Sadat, for all your
You're welcome.
information. And we will see you some other time, inshallah.
I hope see you here.
Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you could be notified every time we upload a new video.